What if reality itself is an illusion, and consciousness is the only thing that truly exists? In under 2 minutes, we will journey through physics and quantum mechanics to uncover clues how our universe, and everything in it, came into being. Einstein's famous equation, E equals mc squared, shows that matter and energy are interchangeable. Matter can transform into energy, and energy into matter. But here's the twist, over 99% of what we call matter is actually empty space. At the quantum level, particles aren't solid objects, they're patterns of electrical charge, held together by nuclear and electromagnetic forces. Therefore, if matter is really patterns of forces, the energy itself might be mathematics shaping the universe. Now here's the thing, when the Big Bang began, matter and antimatter were created in equal amounts. Antimatter is like matter, but with opposite electrical charges, and when they meet, they cancel each other. Even though our current observations suggest matter currently outnumbers antimatter, that doesn't change the law. That energy cannot be created or destroyed, only borrowed, and eventually canceled. Now that brings us to the question, so what actually set the mathematical field trembling in the first place? To explore that, imaging a box containing a mouse, and with that mouse, there is magical water. If the mouse drinks it, it becomes a dog. If it doesn't, it becomes a cat. Now let's imagine that we don't know what is happening in the box, but mathematically, both realities exist. The mouse is both a cat and a dog, because it's mathematically possible. And according to the observer effect, when you observe that box, it will collapse into one state, so it's either a cat or a dog upon observation. This is the observer effect. The act of observation collapses multiple possible outcomes into one outcome. Before the Big Bang, our universe might have been like that box, containing all the possible realities, and collapsing into one reality, one universe. Consciousness might be linked to the electromagnetic field, and if that's the case, consciousness might be the reason our universe collapsed into how it is today.